Want to run a powerful open source AI model locally on your machine for free? No cloud servers, no privacy concerns, just blazing fast AI at your fingertips. In this video, I'll show you how to install and run DeepSeek AI locally in just few minutes. Let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Oleksandr Mykyta. I'm using AI daily for various tasks. Currently I'm studying at university as computer scientist, and I have hands-on experience in programming AI tools and automations. Now let's jump why running DeepSeek locally can be such a game changer. So why should you even bother running DeepSeek locally? Well, here's the deal. Your data stays on your machine, no sending sensitive info to the cloud. No API costs, no limitations. Run it as much as you want. No network latency, just pure fast local inference. DeepSeek AI is an open source model, so you have full control. Now that you're convinced, let's get to the installation. It's actually super simple. First, we need to install Ollama, which will help us to run DeepSeek AI. Next, we download DeepSeek model using Ollama. Open terminal and type Ollama pull DeepSeek R1. This number is the size of a model. You can check it on Ollama's webpage in Models section. Once the download is done, you can run model directly from the terminal. Look at the time of response. It's super fast. Now, let's integrate Python. If you're a developer and want to use DeepSeek AI in your Python projects, here's how you can do it. First, install Python. Second step is to create a virtual environment, and then activate it. Now we have to install required libraries. We need to install LangChain, Ollama and Ollama. Then we have to write simple scripts that will use DeepSeek model. Now let's run and test it. As you can see, it works, and actually that's all we need for the basic setup. But if you're an advanced user, let's level up. For those who want more flexibility and scalability, let's run DeepSeek AI using Docker. For those who don't know what Docker is, in simple terms, it's a platform that lets you package, distribute and run applications in lightweight portable containers. Obviously, first step to install DeepSeek on Docker is to install Docker itself. Now we have to pull Ollama's image from Docker Hub using terminal. Now let's run Docker container using this command. Inside running container will pull DeepSeek image with this command. And the last step is to simply run it using command like this. Now DeepSeek is running inside our Docker container. But what if you want to package not only Ollama, but also your Python code inside your own custom container? Let's do it next. Now let's take it a step further. How to put Python, Ollama and DeepSeek AI inside a single Docker image? First we need to create Docker file, called exactly that way, and fill it with similar content. Then we have to extract Python's requirements. And now just build your custom image with docker build command. After building is done, you can run your Docker container and test it with commands you've used before. And that's it. Now you have self-contained AI setup running locally. No cloud servers, no external dependencies. So there you have it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, now you know how to run DeepSeek locally in your machine. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more AI content. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.